Children, today we are going to learn about the IC engine. IC means internal combustion engine. So now we will learn the parts of this engine. Before that, we must know that this engine is used in motorbikes and boats. So we must learn how it moves. But now we will learn what are the parts of this engine. So here, can you see a block is placed and this block is moving up and down. So can you see this block is moving up and down. So this block is called the piston, and this block moves between the two walls over here. So this walls form a engine chamber. So inside this chamber, this piston moves up and down. And can you see, here is a rod. So this rod is called the connecting rod because this rod connects the component over here. So this is called the crank, and these two parts combine together to form the movement of the engine. So here the connecting rod pulls the piston up. Can you see this? Okay, so in our bike, how we start the bike? We used to press or kick on the kicker, right? So here also we have something like a kicker. This is a model of an engine. So here we have directly connected something like this. So in a real engine, it resembles to the kicker. So we will press or hit or kick on this. So what happens? This kicker will move this piston up only at the starting of the engine. So when we press the kicker, what happens is it sucks the petrol from the petrol tank. So what happens? The petrol is mixed with air over here, and this air fuel mixture moves up by this piston. So when it moves up, the air fuel mixture over here will be compressed. So the highly compressed air fuel mixture will be moving up over here, and when it moves very closely like this, it hits over here at the top edge. So at the top edge, what happens is it has a spark plug. So the spark plug produces a spark, and this spark makes an explosion in this area, and due to this explosion, a large amount of pressure is created. Due to this high pressure over here, this piston is pushed down, and when this piston is pushed down, the heavy weight over here is moved up and it forms this position. So what happens is, when this thing is reached this position, the compressed air fuel mixture after explosion, it moves out as exhaust. So that's why we get smoke out of the exhaust pipe in the bike. So after this combustion happens, all this burnt fuel goes out, and now this heavy weight over here moves down because of gravity. So when it moves down, it again pushes the piston up, and it compresses the new air fuel mixture over here, and what happens? Again combustion takes place at the top edge. So here when it hits over here, it again makes a spark and combustion takes place. So because of the combustion, an explosion occurs and it again pushes this heavy weight up. So this process continues for a longer time until we turn off the engine. So now can you see it forms a rotational movement because of the up and down movement of this piston. So can you understand how an engine works and how the bike moves forward using this engine? Okay children, we will learn more in the upcoming sessions, and we will learn how to convert this rotational movement by using some gears to the wheel. Okay children, bye bye.